Hey y'all, we are making coconut crusted fish. I tried this new recipe and fell in love. Stick around. All right, so first we're going to make our mango salsa. We're starting with some mangoes, some tomato, some red onion, a little bit of cilantro, some diced cucumber, diced jalapeno. We're going to mix everything around, and then I'm going to squeeze the juice of a lime and half of an orange. And then I am going to add a little bit of salt and black pepper. I also added a little bit of dry parsley. We are going to mix this around, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. All right, next I have some cod fillets. I am going to let these sit in some coconut milk for about half an hour. I'm going to cover them and refrigerate them. Then we're going to work on our chili oil. So I'm just mincing up some garlic, and then I am going to heat a neutral oil on high. Make sure that you have a mason jar or a jar that can take really hot temperatures. I added some chili flakes, some salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little paprika. So I'm heating my oil on a high heat. Please be sure to have a container that can handle the hot oil. I'm going to slowly pour this in and set that to the side. So after we've marinated the fish, I'm going to pat it dry with a paper towel, and then I'm just going to season with simple salt and pepper. And then I'm going to let that set for a while, and then we're going to work on our broth. So I have some shrimp bouillon cubes. Going to add in some water. I'll have all of the measurements listed below. Going to bring this up to a rolling boil. Once it's to a rolling boil, then I'll add in about a tablespoon of that chili oil. You can use less if you don't like it so hot, and about a quarter of a teaspoon of some fish sauce, and then I'm going to let that come to a boil, and then I'm going to add in some coconut milk, and I'm going to let this simmer on low for about 10 minutes. All right, next we're going to use a neutral oil to fry our fish. I'm using the algae cooking oil. I'm going to heat this on a medium heat, and then we're going to start to work on our fish. So I have some flour, some egg, some panko, and coconut mixed together. I'm going to dip it in the flour, then the egg, and then the coconut and panko mixture. And then I'm going to fry this on medium on each side for about 5 minutes. Just wanted to say thank you guys all for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I am trying some new recipes this year, and I hope you guys enjoy them. If you like the content, give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see me make some different recipes, please leave them down below. All right, so we are frying our fish on a medium heat. Just going to fry this on each side on medium again for 5 minutes, and then we will start to assemble. All right, so we've got some jasmine rice in our fish. I'm going to add a little bit of that broth to the bowl, and I've got some broccolini. I like things spicy, so I had to add a little bit of sriracha. I topped it with that mango salsa, and this was such a refreshing recipe. I'm trying new things in the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.